First timer.
First timer.
Happy?
Happy.
Like that.
Surreal?
Spell surreal.
Sure.
Welcome to Kananaskis.
Nagpasa tayo ng kananaskis.
Ay, take two.
Welcome to the mountain of man.
Yes, tama na.
Hi.
So for
That's a snail?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a snail.
Yeah. Yeah, so they don't get bigger than apple seeds.
It is unlawful to pick flowers or feed wildlife. Okay?
Welcome to Kevin Basin.
Kevin!
Kevin Basin.
We got in the Kevin Basin 5 minutes before it closed. Such a rush. Such a rush. It is, but swerte ng mga probinsyano. Nakahabol sila. Ayan sila. Hi! Hi! Saya! Saya!
Bubalik. Bubalik.
Ano yun?
Bubalik.
First time. Iconic na selfie.
Iconic solo.
Pero yung malinaw yung background, yung mukha malabo.
Judger.
Welcome to Canadian.
Happy camping!
Happy camping.
Happy camping! So, anong nararamdaman nyo ngayon?
Natatayo na ako, guys.
Oh, what can you say, baby?
First timers.
Sa nagbabagang balita, ang isang probinsyano nakalabas ng Saskatchewan.
Guys, ang ganda dito, guys. Lipat na kayo. Walang kwenta to.
Good night!
Happy!
Happy camping, people!
Good morning. First day.
Good morning! We're going to Moraine Lake! We're going to Moraine Lake today!
Rain Lake 2026. Moraine Lake 2026. Sorry na. Moraine Lake 2026.
What are you doing with your mouth?
Open your mouth. 1, 2, 3.
What are you doing with your mouth?
Soft. Feel pressure. 2026.
Oh, nakaakyat ka pa, ma. Siyempre. Hindi ka napagod, ma?
I'm proud of myself because naakyat ko for the second time yung Moraine Lake.
Good job. Good job.
Kaya pa kahit na operahan na sa paa, it's thanks God so much.
Amen.
Amen.
One. Look at your ninong.
Ah!
July.
So, anong nararamdaman mo ngayon nandito na kayo sa Lake Louise?
Ang ganda. Wala nito doon. Wala ibang view doon. Walang ganito.
Happy?
Welcome to Bath. Welcome to Bath.
Parks Canada car. It's a Tesla. Hello?
Zay, don't.
It's my pet chipmunk. He likes nuts.
Happy Sunday, July 2026.
We are at the St. Mary's
St. Mary's
Church.
Catholic Church.
Here in Pam.
Ano pa? Tapos ko pa.
po kami, Panginoon.
Wow! So nice!
Matirik.
Matirik ang daan. We're here! That's right there.
Falls 2026. Come to Kau Kau Takao. Takao Falls. Hey.
It's too cold!
Yuya. I didn't say Hail Mary.
What did you say then?
I said.
Majestic.
Exciting?
Wala eh.
Surprising. Silence. Adjective.
Wala pang coordination.
We're here. We're done. It was so pretty, so majestic.
I know. It was so beautiful up there.
Free face mist.
Thank you for vlogging, Shy. You're welcome.
I will post this at our
channel. Please subscribe, guys.
Like and subscribe, everyone.
Wala pang paakyat. Yung dalawa lang.
Okay.
Copy that.
Thank you, bro. Coming down.
Walang paakyat.
So steep. It's called Natural Bridge. Why? Because this is the natural bridge over here. Malayo ang
Alam na.
Nag-aaway sila. Ayaw na daw nila.
Hindi tinuturo
Gusto na
yan.
umuwi ng Pilipinas ni Alan pagod na sa trabaho.
We're disturbing their habitat.
Disturbs the habitat.
Seeing a monkey is being disturbed. We're so sorry. We might get fined for this one. See? He's looking at us. I'm scared.
Oh my God!
I'm scared.
Natural habitat.
But what is the species? It's a half monkey.
Wait, ikaw nagsabi! Siya nagsabi!
Siya nagsabi nun.
Ito hindi kinakatay eh.
Hindi hunting season pa. Huling-huli ang mga thoughts mo dito sa video. Good evening! Is it yummy? Yeah. Hi! Good night!
Good morning.
Gandang umaga.
Time check.
8:15.
Thank Him everything na i-praise mo siya kasi He allows all these things for us to experience. The morning, I'm cooking small hot dogs for the kids. And this one is scrambled egg.
See you next year!